Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Charty Talks. In this channel, I'm going to share my analysis on major stock market indexes and crypto market purely based on chart. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin first. Now we're in the 12-hour chart. In my previous video, I have mentioned that in the 12-hour chart, I have spot the bottom structure being formed here. And then I also mentioned that if we look at the previous high to here, we can see it as wave 1, and then the rebound, wave 2, and then again wave 3. So I mentioned that we were actually not quite sure whether this is the end of wave 3 and the market will begin its reversal, or due to the fact that the wave 3 compared to wave 1, it's obviously not in proportion, because normally wave 3 should be at least same or similar length as wave 1, or even longer than wave 1. I mentioned that there could be another possibility that the market is in a rebound now, and then after that it will go further down. Currently, after a few days, when I look at the speed of this rebound, I would say it's around 10 to 15 degrees, roughly. So it's a very weak rebound, I would say. That's why, in my opinion, I think there's a higher probability that after this weak rebound, the price of Bitcoin will go further down. But as long as it doesn't accelerate its dropping speed, there's still a possibility for me to spot another bottoming structure here. So as a conclusion, we need to monitor the Bitcoin price, whether here at this point now we will have a acceleration, and then to prove it's a reversal, or it will drop further to form another bottoming structure. Okay, that's the Bitcoin. So let's then take a look at the US market. This is S&P 500, the daily chart. I've taken a look at hourly chart and 2-hour chart. I didn't spot any signals for any topping or bottoming structure. So on this daily chart, so the closing price on January 7 fell below the lower bound of the short-term trend. So actually on this set day, I sold my 40% position. And until now, the price hasn't break out the higher bound of the short-term trend. So personally, I'm using S&P 500 as the benchmark of my trading decisions for in the US market. But my recommendation would be that it doesn't matter that you choose S&P 500 or Nasdaq or Dow Jones as your benchmark for trading in the US market. Once you choose one index, you should not easily switch it to another one, because the benchmark or criteria has to be unique. Otherwise, it will impact the stability of your trading result. Okay, so this is S&P 500, and let's take a look at Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, we can see it's a different story. The market started to from the high point on November 22nd, and since then it was in its correction period. So you can see here's wave 1, and then the wave 2 rebound, and then currently we're in the wave 3, I would say. I spot a bottoming structure here, and it was correct because the market then had a rebound. But until now, I haven't seen a second clear bottoming structure. So I'm waiting to see whether Nasdaq will create new low here, and then possibly we can spot another bottoming structure to enter for either a reversal or a nice rebound. So let's take a look at Dow Jones. It's a very different story as Nasdaq because on the daily chart, we can see that even on January 4th, the market created new high. And then the correction only started from January 4th. That the top structure formed here. Price new high, DIF not reached new high, and then with this red bar, the top structure formed. So right now, the Dow Jones is in its very first period of correction. So from the 3 indexes in the US market, we can see that currently they are not in harmonization. That's why it is kind of difficult to tell the direction that the market will peak. So for the moment, we have to just monitor closely. As again, for me personally, I choose S&P 500 as my benchmark. So currently, I'm holding 60% position. So if the price will fall below the lower bound of the long-term trend, then I will sell everything. Or if the price will go up to break out the upper bound of the short-term trend, I will buy back. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.